Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie in Sandboxels' easy method. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees F and place a 9-inch pie crust in a dish. Combine canned pumpkin, sugar, pumpkin spice, 2 large eggs, and 12 ounces of evaporated milk in a bowl. Whisk until smooth, pour into the crust, and let it rest 10 minutes so air bubbles settle before baking for 45 to 50 minutes. For the filling, measure your spices precisely for consistent flavor every time. Use 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice or blend cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. Start with 1/2 cup sugar and increase to 3/4 cup if you like it sweeter. Whisk in 2 eggs and 12 ounces of evaporated milk until smooth, but stop once the mixture is homogeneous to avoid adding excess air and prevent cracking during baking. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh scent you'll enjoy while baking or driving. It's a fun little treat. Check the description for the link and other deals, then hit like if this helped. Now let's get back to the video. Place the filled pie in the preheated oven and bake at 375 degrees F for 45 to 50 minutes until the center is just set and slightly jiggly. If the crust browns too quickly, shield the edges with foil after 20 minutes. Once done, cool the pie on a wire rack for about 2 hours so the filling fully sets. Chill if you prefer it cold, then slice and serve with whipped cream or a sprinkle of cinnamon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.